Are you tired of waiting years to see progress with your bonsai? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're diving into the top 5 fast-growing bonsai trees perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to bonsai or want quick results, this list will get you excited to start growing. Stick around for tips to keep your bonsai thriving. Welcome to the Bonsai Barn. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner bonsai tips. Let's grow together. Tree number 1. Ficus, the beginner's best friend. The ficus grows fast, bounces back from pruning, and thrives indoors or outdoors with proper light. Keep it happy with bright, indirect light, and let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Don't forget, good bonsai soil is essential for healthy roots. Tree number 2. Chinese elm, a classic choice. The Chinese elm is known for its small leaves and fast growth. It adapts well to different environments, making it great for both indoor and outdoor bonsai care. Regular pruning keeps it neat and encourages new growth. What style would you try? Formal upright or something more relaxed? Let me know. Tree number 3. Japanese maple, fast and colorful. If you want vibrant colors and quick results, the Japanese maple is perfect. Its seasonal leaf changes make it a stunning choice. Maples love humidity, so try a water tray beneath the pot. And remember, prevention is the best way to avoid pests. Tree number 4. Juniper, the iconic favorite. Junipers grow quickly and are great for outdoor bonsai care. They're perfect for learning bonsai styling techniques like wiring, since their branches are flexible. Plus, they're hardy and can handle a bit of neglect. Perfect for beginners. Tree number 5. Willow Leaf Fig, unique and vigorous. The willow leaf fig has slender leaves that give it a tropical vibe and grows fast with regular pruning and fertilizing. Feed it every 2 weeks during the growing season, with a balanced fertilizer to keep it thriving. What's your favorite bonsai fertilizer? Share in the comments. And there you have it, the top 5 fast-growing bonsai trees for beginners. Which one are you most excited to try? Or do you have another favorite that grows quickly? Let's chat in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the Bonsai Barn for more bonsai tips, tutorials, and community love. Check out this video for more beginner bonsai advice. Let's grow some amazing trees together. See you next time.